Okay, we're going to fit the tub rack for the rooftop tent, which we picked up today, straight from King's. Got these bolts. It's probably not the best way to mount this, or the strongest, but it's what I'm working with because I want to leave this on. So I made some custom brackets to sit on top of here, and then the rack bolt to that. It just fits from end to end. So let's get to it and put it together. That was not easy. I'm going to do it the opposite way next time. I'm going to put these square tubes on first, then I'm going to bolt this on. Now they've got a sort of position I can measure it from each end. That's one side, which you can see the clearance is very close. So I might just nip them up and then we'll move on to the other side. Okay, so as you can see, I've set up this second side. I only put 2 bolts in for now. As you can see, I have a lot of bolts. Bolts and more bolts. There's a lot here, still to go. tent on. That was an absolute mission. It was not light. I had to custom drill some holes up in here for the bracket, but now it's a matter of just bolting this on. I've got to get this on the other side, and then we can pretty much test out the tent, open it up and see how she sits. Sits pretty well at the back there, nice and flush, and lines up at the front. Leave it like that for now. I'll get the other side done and we'll tighten it up. Alright, so it's pretty simple. The bolt just goes straight in, locks in, and then it's just straighten it sort of like a T-slot. Slide it straight in, and then just gonna lift it, put it on the other side of the bar. So there's two for each side. Straight in. That up. Beautiful. Alright, time to see if this opens. See what it looks like. There we have it. It looks to be all the way out. Probably needs some fine adjustments, but you can see it's, once you're sort of still working out how it all goes together, let's go and have a look inside, eh?